What's up, what's up? This is Teacher G at your service. In this video, the most frequently asked questions by our learners, parents, stakeholders, and even teachers. So, what's this question?
Sir, may graduation ba?
Sir, may graduation ba?
Sir, may graduation ba?
So, this video, we will talk about DepEd Memorandum number 27, series 2021, and DepEd Order number 18, series of 2021. So, what are those DepEd Memorandum, DepEd Order? So, here we go. Okay. So, let's start with what? So, what? So, this is talk about the DepEd Memorandum number 27, series of 2021. So, entitled, Conduct of the K-12 Basic Education Program and of School Year Rights for School Year 2020-2021 in light of the COVID-19 public health emergency. This was released last May 24, 2021. And together with this is the DepEd Order number 18, series of 2021, entitled Interim Guidelines on Giving of Awards and Recognition in Light of the Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan for School Year 2020-2021. That was released the day after. That was last May 25, 2021. So, why? Why they release this? So, in DepEd Order number 18, series of 2021, states there that the rationale is this. Number one, awards and recognition have been embedded in the Philippine basic education curriculum because of their profound effect on learners' morale, motivation, self-efficacy, and commitment of learners to consistently perform and strive to do better. These meaningful moments of recognition inspire others and reinforce behavior that leads to improvement. Number two, stakeholders highly value formal recognition program because it promotes positive reinforcement in learners' performance and behavior and influences their intrinsic motivation during low-interest and high-interest tasks. Moreover, using praise and reward system can decrease inappropriate behavior and reinforce desirable behavior in a positive learning environment under certain favorable conditions. So, in DepEd Memorandum number 27, series of 2021, number 2, states there that the 2021 end of school year rights shall focus on the theme kalidad ng edukasyon, lalong patatagin sa gitna ng pandemya. So in English, strengthening the quality of education amid the COVID-19 pandemic. This is to highlight that amid all the challenges, the learners' rights to inclusive quality education and to safety from the health risks of COVID-19 must be given priority. So that's the answer of the question why. Now, when to conduct this? So in DepEd Memorandum number 27, series of 2021, reference to order number DO number 12, series of 2021, also known as Amendment to DepEd Order number 30, series of 2020, Quarter 4 shall end on July 10, 2021. Hence, within the week of July 12 to 16, 2021, schools and community learning centers are given the discretion to select the date for holding this year's end of school year rites. And on the other hand, private schools may implement the schedule as reflected in their respective school calendars. In number 4 states that, however, given that public health and safety is deemed as topmost concern at this time, schools and community learning centers shall abide by applicable guidelines and protocols set by the Department of Health, Interagency Task Force, and the Office of the President in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. Should the public health situation prevent the conduct of this year end of school year rites within the said week, schools, in consultation with the Parents-Teacher Association, may choose to reschedule or forego the activity. Private schools shall be guided by their approved school calendars or revised school calendar. Where? In DepEd Memorandum number 27 series of 2021, in number 5, states that to ensure the protection of the health and safety of learners, teachers, and personnel, as well as parents and other stakeholders, any face-to-face ceremony is not allowed. The virtual conduct of the end of school year rites may be an option for schools and CLCs whenever feasible. Schools and CLCs may prepare a short program that will run in less than 2 hours to consider the internet connectivity that will be consumed. Only the completers, their parents or guardians, teachers, and school administrators will be present during the virtual rites. The schools have the discretion to broadcast live the virtual end of school year rites through appropriate social media platform. The school shall secure the consent of the parents and learners before doing such broadcast. How it is conducted. So in DepEd Memorandum number 27 series of 2021 number 6, the multi-year implementing guidelines on the conduct of the K-12 basic education program end of school year rites enclosed in DO number 2 series of 2020 remains in force and in effect except for the grant of academic awards, which shall be stipulated in separate issuance on awards and recognition. So, in number 14 of DO number 18 series of 2021 states that the following tables provided the award to be suspended and the awards to be recognized for the school year 2020-2021. So in the left column, we have the awards to be suspended. First, Academic Excellence Award for grades 1 to 5, grades 7 to 9, and grade 11. Second, Classroom Awards. We have Performance Awards for kindergarten, Conduct Awards, Recognition for perfect attendance. Third, Grade Level Awards, Leadership Award, Award for Outstanding Performance in Specific Disciplines, Award for Work Immersion, Award for Research or Innovation, Award for Club or Organization Achievement. Fourth, the Special Recognition. So there are 4 categories of 4 awards that were suspended stipulated through this DO number 18 series of 2021. So what are those awards to be recognized? So we have only one award to be recognized. So we have here in the right column, we have the Academic Excellence Awards for graduating or moving up learners from grade 6, 10, and 12. So that's end my presentation with regards to the DepEd Memorandum number 27 series of 2021 and DepEd Order number 18, series of 2021. I hope you learned something